it's Lisa from SewArty here. Pleased to meet you, nice to meet you. Welcome to my channel. Now today I will be doing a video on Tubebuddy. Now Tubebuddy is a browser extension and can be an app as well. Tubebuddy is very good. So I got my YouTube channel in March, I think 2019, and I have been using it really since then. So I do like Tubebuddy. So this video is about Tubebuddy. Get Tubebuddy as a browser extension, which is very good. I don't use that very often, I must say, but I have it here, so I'll show you. I've got an Apple Mac, so what's quite good with it is that you can actually see, if you go to somebody else's channel, you can see how you're comparing with their views and your views, which is it's interesting, you know, not really relevant really to what I want it for. I just wanted to know how my videos are doing. But if you click into the browser extension, so it would have to be in Google, so it's not in Safari, it's not in Safari's for Apple, and the other one, Internet Explorer for Windows. So it's not in that. You have to get it on Google Chrome as a browser extension, and you load it up as well. And so you can click into Tubebuddy. Now Milestones is quite good. When you're first starting out, I really like Milestones. You can see from here or here, I'm not sure what side it's going to be, but I used to use Milestones. So when you hit 10 subscribers, 100 subscribers, when you hit 1,000 views, 2,000 views, you get that little certificate. So I made videos from them. So that's what I did. You know, I was quite pleased with them at the time. Of all the free stuff that I've used in my time, and I will do another video on actually how I actually film my videos, because I have noticed on my YouTube analytics that video is doing quite well. People want to know how I actually film my video, and I'll let you know all what I use. You know, I've built up quite a lot of experience, and I've got a little bit of knowledge as to what I use for any of the new if you're new out there and you want to start up. This is what I use. I mean, the thing is, at the end of the day, everyone's different and you all want different things out of YouTube. So but yeah, one of the things I must say was really beneficial was Tubebuddy. Now the app I absolutely love, and I must say I use the app more than I use the browser extension, because I've got my phone with me all the time and I need to know how my video is doing. So what I use it for is, yeah, mainly that. I use it for finding out how my videos are actually doing. There's another thing you can do on it. You can add tags to each video. So adding a tag to a video is really important, and adding the correct tag is even better. The free version, you can just put whatever tags you want. Say you haven't put information cards on, perhaps you haven't put a description in it, perhaps you haven't got a like on Facebook, and it will tell you it'll have an X by it, and it has to have a tick. It has a tick beside it, then it means you've done it. So that's what I like about it. The paid version actually helps you choose the tags you want, and that's what I use. I have the paid version on the mobile phone. It lets you know what tags will do well for that video, which is very useful to me. I don't want to put the wrong tags, and so it gives you help as to what tags to put. Just to let you know that if you click on my Tubebuddy link below in the description, it is an affiliated link, which means that if you go further with it and pay for a premium package, then I will get a percentage of that. I just thought I'd let you know, but you do not have to purchase it. It's under no obligation. There's the free version's pretty good, and that's what I used for a long time until I actually bought it on my phone. That's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching my video. I do hope that you found it useful. Please contact me. I mean, I'd love to hear what you think of Tubebuddy. So bye for now.